As we were driving along the road, Castellfollit de la Roca revealed itself, and we were absolutely stunned. It looked like something out of a film, and we couldn't wait to explore it. Perched precariously on the edge of a sheer basalt cliff, located in the province of Girona, this tiny village, home to fewer than 1,000 people, is a village in an area of less than a square kilometre, making it one of the smallest in Catalonia. The basalt wall beneath it is nearly 50 metres high. Despite its dramatic setting, the village moves at a quiet, raw pace. Its streets are narrow, built from the same volcanic rock that holds up the village. Most of the houses date back to the 18th and 19th centuries, though the village itself is much older. The Church of San Salvador, standing solemnly at the cliff's edge, has witnessed centuries of change. Originally built in the Middle Ages, it has been rebuilt several times. From the viewpoint at the edge of town, we can see where two rivers meet, a reminder of how nature and time shaped this place. And it's no coincidence that the spot was chosen for settlement. The elevation offered protection and the rivers brought to life. Castellfollit is part of a national park, a region known for over 40 dormant volcanoes and lush forests. This area offers more than postcard views. Castellfollit de la Roca leaves a lasting impression. If you ever find yourself in Catalonia, this cliffside village is absolutely worth the detour. We are Cinematic Travels, and we really hope you enjoy our videos. And please like and subscribe if you do.